Hey, it's Aran here. If you are a Systeme.io customer or new to the online world and are looking to set up your first landing page or website, and you're just in the beginning stages, you don't know what software to use, you're not sure which way to go, do you need a website, do you need a landing page, do you need a funnel, what does this all mean? And you really just need to build an email list because you want to sell your course, your membership. This video is for you. I'm going to simplify the process for you and give you what I like to call the quick win onboarding. Now, the quick win onboarding is a 6-part video series that I've recorded between 2 to 4 minutes each. And these are really simple steps for you to set up your very first landing page / funnel. And if you follow my instructions and you're going to just stay where you are right now, in an hour from now, you will actually have your first landing page list builder live. And I know this might sound a bit crazy for somebody that's never done this before. And of course, I can go into way more in-depth ways of doing this type of a tech setup because that's what I do in my business. However, I wanted to go and pretend that you are literally have never opened a website builder in your life. You're scared to even log in and you've got no idea where to start. So the software that I'm going to recommend you use is called systeme.io. Now, systeme.io, you'll see the spelling is funny. It's got an E at the end. It's just the French spelling of the word system. You still say it's systeme.io. It's not system E or systeme, anything like that. It's just systeme.io. And it's just the French spelling because that's where the software is originally coming from, basically. But it's getting big in the US and it's huge overseas. They've got a huge Facebook group. And I love it. I use it for my business and I moved to that software to set up my entire funnels, landing pages, websites, email marketing, all that stuff some time ago. And it served me really, really well. And this particular software has a few features that are going to make your life a lot easier in setting things up because I was able to create an email template, a landing page template, which is the first page where you collect an email address, and a thank you page template, which is the page people arrive to after they submit their email address to you and join your email list. And with one click of a button, you'll be able to get those templates into your account. You will be able to change some words just like you do on a Word doc. Nothing complicated. And you'll be able to literally click the save button and the publish button and you'll be live. It is really simple, okay? If you just follow the steps. So this 6-part video series, depending on when you're watching this or where you're watching this, I'm recording this video for my YouTube channel, but it's also available on the onboarding of the actual checklist. So if you have a look below in the comment section or in the description, there's going to be a link on where to find the actual checklist and you'll be able to go through that and just go through the steps. It's all been made really beginner friendly. So that's about it. Thanks a lot. I'm going to go ahead and just share with you those 6 videos right now so you can literally see what it entails. And then I do recommend you go through the individual videos on my channel and download the checklist so you can actually not just watch the video, but also follow the steps at the same time. So the checklist, the 6 videos you're about to see are basically being all stitched together into one long video, but they're also available as individual short videos so you can just follow them in a bite-sized fashion. So that's it. I'll turn it over to step number 1. In systeme.io, which is this website, you can enter your email address right here. And in this case, I'm going to type in a demo account and I'm going to click on get my free account. This page might look a little bit different when you're seeing this. You can also have the option of get my free account or there will be a pop-up. Either way, find where you can enter your email and click on get my free account. Now it will tell you almost there, you need to confirm your email address. You're going to see this email from systeme.io, which will say confirm your email address. You're going to click on the email and then you're going to click this email or this button. Once you've done so, it will take you to the registration page and you're going to create your password. You're going to confirm you're not a robot. Now it worked and it is taking me to the members area where I can now create my funnel. Note that you will also receive this welcome email from the CEO of Systeme, which you want to go to your email, dig it out and make sure you have it. You can join the Facebook group, watch these training videos and things along these lines where you can get assistance and so on. Now we're going to go back to the funnel so we can now build it. On step 2, you're going to install my template. This template is a 2-page funnel template, a landing page to collect email addresses, and a thank you page to let them know they've successfully subscribed and let them know what is the next step. This is a simple list building funnel, and you're going to use a simple template, which is a coming soon landing page. Why is that? Because this is going to give you something to launch right now. Maybe you're selling a physical product or a coaching program or an ebook or something like that. Whatever it is you're selling, you need to build an audience who might be interested in what you are going to offer. And so we chose a simple coming soon landing page, which is also known as a waitlist page. It gives you something you can start sharing in the next 10 minutes. Here's an example of something that I created myself. Now, based on this example, I have created this template for you, which is the landing page. And then also there's the second page, which is thanking them for registering. Now, here's what is cool about Systeme is with one click of a button, this will be in your account. So you see this button right here, you're going to click on it. And then this tab is going to open, which is your Systeme.io account. Make sure you're logged in. When you go to funnels, you're now going to see the website coming soon template right here. You're going to click inside, and here is your landing page and your thank you page. So if I was to click on view funnel step, you're going to see the template that I shown you a second ago. And if you're going to see the waitlist thank you page, you're going to see it here as well. And both pages are going to now be in your account, and we can progress to the next step, which is customizing those pages. Step 3 is about customizing your landing page. To do that, you go to the website coming soon, and then you click right here on the right to edit page. Now, the first step is to click on settings on the top left, and you want to change the default typography, which is the text that is going to appear here and here and here and here. So I'm going to change it. Instead of pop-ins, I'm going to choose a different one, which is going to be, for the sake of demonstration, Merryweather. And now this will automatically change all the text. Next, I'm going to scroll down and change the heading typography, which is this headline. And I'm going to change that to be, in this case, Play Fair Display. And this will be the title. Then I'm also going to change the text color again for demonstration purposes, and I'm going to make this white. Now it's going to make everything disappear. However, what I'm going to do next is scroll down to the background color, and instead of making it this color, I'm going to make it this brown. Now, why did I do that? Because now the text is going to appear and it's going to still be visible just fine. Now, you will notice that this headline is still this color. And the reason that is because heading typography, the color is black. So again, I can go here and I can make it, let's say, yellow, I can make it white, and so on. Now, in case you don't see it changing, you could just click right here, highlight it, click here, and change it to white, like so. Now, this is an example of customizing the colors. Of course, you might be watching this and be like, Eran, this color looks terrible. That's okay. I'm not trying to make it pretty right this second. I'm just showing you how to change the colors. Now, you want to also change the picture. And the first thing that I showed you is the settings here, because this is the stuff that you want to set up on the background color and also the color of the headline and the text and all that. I can always bring it back and make it, let's say, white. And then on the text color, we're going to change it and make it, let's say, green, and then we're going to make this one also green, let's just say. Now again, you'll see here that this didn't change, so I'm just going to have to change that manually and do it like so, okay? So that's that. Now, what you want to do is once you've done the settings, you're going to now go ahead and customize things here. And there's a few things you want to customize. First of all, let's replace this picture with a different picture. So you want to click on the picture, you'll notice that this thing pops up. Then you're going to click on this button, click on select file, and in my case, I'm just going to pick a placeholder picture like so. It's going to take a second to upload, and then I'm going to click on insert. And here's the picture. Now, you want to click here and change it to your name. So in this case, let's say your name is Claire. And then your title is interior designer, let's say. Now, if you're an interior designer, and let's just assume that you want to sell an online course. So the headline here is what you want to change to the headline, and you want to make this exciting because no one is going to give you their email address if they're not actually excited about it. So in this case, you would do something, for example, like transform your home with a DIY interior designer skills and save thousands of dollars hiring an expert. Let's just say, okay, let's say that's the idea for your course. And then in the text, you're going to replace the text with something exciting, something sexy, something cool, something that's going to be giving them some value and give them a reason to come back. As an interior designer of 10 years, I learned a thing or two, and I am ready to share it with the world. Get access to my upcoming course on how to transform your home and save thousands of dollars in the process. This course will be delivered live, and the first people taking it will get a huge discount, and this will only be offered to those on the wait list. And then the name, email, be the first to know. That's it. Really simple copy, nothing too exciting. And the thing is, what's important is just to get it done. Okay, it's not going to be perfect. You can always tweak it later. Just get it done. You're going to now click on Save Changes. And this brings us to the end of step 3. And the next step for us is to customize the thank you page. Step 4 is customizing the thank you page. So you go to funnels. Once you're there, you click into the funnel you're at, which is, you'll see it right here. You're going to click into it. You'll see there's the 2 pages, page 1, page 2. So you're going to click on page 2, which is an opt-in thank you page. You're going to click on it, and then you will click on edit page. This will take you to the actual editor. Now, the information here is really simple. You're going to say, thank you for registering. You were sent an email thanking you for joining the waitlist. It was sent from, now you want to just replace that with your email address. And in my case, I'm going to use funneleducation@gmail.com, just because that's the one that I was using. And then you're going to change the name to your name. In my case, it's Aran. Or, if we're using our fictional character, you could say Claire, let's just say, okay? Now, you also can do exactly what I told you to do in the previous video, and you click on settings, and you can change the heading to your other fonts. So we change it to Merriweather, and we'll just do Merriweather as well in here too. And there you go. So now it's all Merriweather, and that's cool. And now this page is now complete. So you're going to click on Save Changes, and you're going to exit. And now we've finished customizing the thank you page. We are now on step 5, which is adding the email campaign, welcome email. Now you'll notice if you hover over emails, click on campaigns, you will see that you have nothing here. Now, I'm giving you a template, so you don't need to create. You simply need to go to the quick win checklist. Step 5, you can read this information where I'm explaining to you that the last piece to add is your email sequence. And in the spirit of keeping things simple, I'm giving you one email to customize. You can always add more later, but let's just get it done. Now, the template is actually generic enough that you can literally use what is there, but obviously you'll be able to have a read of it and change it as you see fit. Now, here's what's cool about Systeme.io. One click and you'll have it in your account. So here's the template. You simply are going to click on this button. It's going to open in a new tab, and you will see here where it says the campaign was shared. Now you will notice that this is the email. You're in what's next. And you're going to notice that you have this icon here, which means it's not active yet. In order to activate it, you need to click here on publish. But before that, we need to make sure we're happy with what is there. So we're going to click here on the left. You're going to click on the email, and then you're going to see the text of the different emails as well. So this is just email number 1. So you're going to click on the campaign, click on what's next, and here's the email. Now the email address is going to be the email of your account. You're going to change the name to your name. So I'm just going to put my name here. And then you're going to see where it's going to say, hey there, first name. Thank you so much for joining the waitlist. Can't wait to share with you when we go live. Can you do me a tiny favor and reply to this email? Let me know you received it. Also, love to connect with you on a more personal level. Would you mind sharing a bit more about yourself? I promise I read all emails and I respond. Can't wait to get to know you better. Now, you can customize this, but this is a really simple example. So you'll change the name here to your name, and then you're going to click on Save and Publish. Then you're going to click on Activate, and that's it. You can now click here, and you will see that this email is active. That's the end of step 5. And the last thing is making everything talk to each other, which is the final step, step 6. So we are on step 6, which is the final step. And what we're going to do is we're going to connect the pieces so everything talks to everything. And basically, the way it works is you're going to go again to funnels, click on the funnel that we installed, go to the landing page, and you're going to click on automation rules. Click on add rule, click on funnel step form subscribed. Then you're going to click here again. Then you're going to click on add action. You're going to click on subscribe to campaign. You're going to choose the campaign, and we're going to choose the one that we added. You're going to click on another add action, click on tag, and then here you're going to type in newsletter, enter. Now you're going to click on save rule. Now, if you were to click on this again, you will see that those things are here, and it says up top that these have been saved. So save rule, the rule has been updated successfully, and that's all done. Now you're going to go back to step configuration. Now you're going to delete what's here on the URL path. You're going to click on save. And now when you click on this button right here, this icon, this link icon, this is going to make it possible for you to share it on social media, share it on email, share it on text, share it on WhatsApp, share it on Facebook posts, blog posts, and all that stuff. So I'm going to open a new tab and paste in this URL. Click on enter, and you're going to see that it's basically live. Now we're going to do a quick little test. So I'm going to type in test and then put another email address that I have and click on be the first to know. It's going to take me straight to the thank you page. And if I go right here and I'm going to click on leads, you're going to see that here is the subscriber. When you click right here, you're also going to see all the information about where they came from. They're going to be correctly tagged right here. And you're going to see that there is a tag. You will scroll down and you see that under email campaigns, here's the campaign. You can see what step the person is in, and you could see that the email was sent. You're going to notice that this envelope is closed. What that means is that the person has received it, it was sent, but they haven't opened the email. Now here's a picture of what it looks like in the inbox, because it did actually arrive. Now I've actually opened the email, so you can see what it says right here. And now if I was to go back to the dashboard and I'm going to hit refresh, you're going to notice that this envelope icon that you see is actually opened envelope as opposed to a closed envelope, because I actually opened the email. And that's about it. So we've tested it. It works great and everything is operational. The email was received and you've got a website that is officially live.
Okay, congratulations for watching all 6 steps. Hopefully you have either, number 1, gotten the confidence that you can do this, and now you can go back to the beginning or find individual videos and download the checklist and just go through the steps one by one yourself. Or number 2, maybe you've already done that. Maybe you've already paused the video as you were watching and you've actually done the steps. And if so, congratulations. Please do me a favor and send me an email. You can reply to one of my automated emails that I sent you. If you downloaded the checklist, you would have received a welcome email from me. And just reply to that email with the link to your landing page. I would love to see it. Also, I would like to invite you to join my Facebook group, which is aran.link/group. That Facebook group is specifically designed for Systeme.io tutorials to be able to answer people's questions to do with Systeme.io and help eliminate any tech struggles. If you want to learn a little bit more about me and what I do, I invite you to go and check out arantemplates.com. That's my templates business where I share additional guides, templates, and workshops, all to help you launch your online business, specifically tailored to Systeme.io, but also other tools, and show it to you in a way that's really practical, really simple, and really beginner friendly. This membership is $99 per year, and I want to keep it at that price for a long time because I really want to create an all-in-one solution for people who want to start and grow an online business and get the ongoing education, support, and guidance that is practical and realistic and is current for a very, very affordable price, so I can reach and serve as many people as possible. Thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate you. Somewhere around this video, you will see other videos that I have as well. One of them is going to be a video explaining about my templates and guides membership, so you can learn a little bit more about that. That's about it. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll speak to you soon. Cheers.